Hello friends, welcome again to Wealthy Wednesday series, and I'm very excited to take you ahead from intention setting to creation of your desires. So here I come a very important technical part which I want you to know. Our whole of the universe, every single element around in the cosmos, tangible, intangible, the air, water, everything is filled with the life force energy, the ethereal energy, the ethereal elements which comprise and create every single thing on this planet. And since this element is the same element which creates your dream stuff, like your dream house or dream car or whatever dream that you have, your dream career, everything is being created by the same stuff which create the air and water and oxygen or whatever it is. So when you set up an intention and when you are feeling good about it and you start expecting it, you set all of these forces into motion and all of these elements start working to bring those things to you. And when that happens, you have to be willing to receive it. You have to be like, yeah, I can do it. It is possible for me. You should not doubt yourself. You should not question that who am I to be able to do it? Who am I to be able to make so much money? Who am I to be able to do that or blah 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 blah? But you should be like, I wanted it, it has come to me, and now I can have it, I can use it, I can do this particular task, or I can make this particular meeting a success, or whatever it is. So it's very important that once you have set up an intention and the universe starts delivering to you, you do not step back. you know it's like telling to the universe, no, I am not ready, and then you just go back into your previous game of unworthiness, and you just go out of your alignment with abundance and creation of wealth. So now when you are setting up intention and you are expecting things to happen, when they are happening, receive it, say yes to the universe. You have made an intention, so now you should enjoy the consequences, and the consequences are only going to work for you when you believe that they are going to work for you. You should not be like, once you have made an intention, once you receive something, you should not judge it, that is it good or bad, or is it right or wrong. It is come to you because you have intended it, and now you should accept it so that you can enjoy it. And next week I'm going to take you further ahead from intention to creation, and I'm very excited to meet you again on the next Wednesday of our Wealthy Wednesday series. This is Sandeep Kedia signing off from you. Thank you very much.